Today I will talk about a new topic. The topic is the future of Forex. We all come to Forex with a goal, and that goal is to income. Some come to make some income and some come with a big plan or lifetime planning. One thing that can be noticed is that everyone has a question, what is the future of Forex? Because in Forex you have to learn to work with a lot of hard work. There is no time limit to learn Forex. Some people develop themselves as a skillful Forex trader in 6 months, or some people take 1 or 2 years to develop themselves as a skillful Forex trader. But those who are beginners have doubt about the future of Forex. For example, whether this site pays money, whether the payment is permanent or not, whether this is a lifetime platform. So basically, to remove all this doubt, we came up with this video. You will have no doubt in your mind if you see this video from beginning to end, because we will answer this question openly. So watch the video and we will discuss, first of all, why should you do Forex trading, secondly, the advantage of Forex trading, and lastly, the future of Forex trading. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. For those who have question about the future of Forex trading, it must come to mind that even if you can make money in this site, can it be taken in hand, or will broker commit any kind of fraud? Most people want to make a good living at home, especially those who are students. But the lifetime payment site like Google AdSense or various marketplace of outsourcing, here you have to do hard work for a long time, then you can make money. But especially in our country, most of those who want to earn while sitting online are very lazy, because many people don't want to do hard work. So in the end, they work on short-time site, and if they are cheated, they blame every site. So after coming to Forex, the same question arises, because in Forex you have to deposit. Forex is a universal business. The amount of dollar traded here in a single day, this is huge amount. Since the market is so big, no one can control it alone. Forex was, Forex is, and Forex will be. Those who deposit millions of dollars in Forex, they know what Forex is. There is no doubt about whether payment will be available in Forex, but FOREX BD often present video with a profit withdrawal from Forex only to increase your confidence level. So no matter who you are as a student or employee, if you can earn money by working on Forex with your own skill, then the broker will give you the payment. However, you have to trade in a regulated and trusted broker house. If you have any doubt about Forex, then watch this video. Watching this video, your confusion will remove. It doesn't take much to do Forex. Just a net connection and a laptop or mobile is enough, and if you have the skill, you can earn a lifetime. Because Forex is a smart business. You don't have to sit all day. Just enter the market when you get time, and if you can make a good analysis, if your analysis is good and if the market is in your favor, then you can earn good amount of money, and you can earn for a lifetime. It allows you to make a profit by working for a short time. You can give enough time to your family or your other work, or if you are a student, you can give a good amount of time to your study. You can make a good profit in a short period of time and take your career forward. Moreover, there are more possibilities in Forex. For example, if you can earn a good amount of money by using your skill, then many people will be interested in working with you. Which means that by managing other people's fund, you will have the opportunity to earn more. The Forex market is open from Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days. So you can trade whenever you want. In these 5 days, you can trade at any time. This means you will have the opportunity to trade 24 hours a day. But in the case of job, you have to do work at a specific time. At a job, you spend your whole day by working, but in Forex you can spend a little time. If you are busy during the day for any reason, then you can come at night and you can do analysis in Forex. So if you can fix your mind and come to Forex to recognize and use your talent, then you can make a good profit from Forex. There are some special benefits to working in Forex that you won't find anywhere else. Such as in Forex you can be independent. No one will chase you. You can enter the market whenever you want and you can exit whenever you want. Then you can start trading with any amount of money. The market is open 24 hours and 5 days in a week. You can trade through computer or mobile, and you can trade at home. You can do Forex trading as well as any other job. You can withdraw money whenever you want from from Forex. What is your opinion on this? Do you want to do business like Forex where you have complete freedom, where there is no above you, just you will be your boss, or you just want to do job? So what is your view on Forex? So of course don't forget to let us know your valuable comment. We will understand your point of view. So if you have a skill, then we can definitely say that your career is bright in Forex. If you have a skill, then Forex is for you. And if you can't take Forex seriously, or if you can't practice properly in Forex, then Forex is not for you, because Forex is for those who can work hard. So before coming to Forex, of course decide from yourself whether you can do hard work or whether you will do job. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.